Hi Mansi,
Hello, hello. Okay. My video
is not on. Now we can.
perfect. Hello everyone. Namaste. Hello, namaste. Good evening to everyone. Let's start today workshop. Before that, join your hands, close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We'll say Om 3 times very slowly. Inhale first. Inhale. Relax, release. Om is a beautiful mantra for purification, for relaxation. Uma. Combine these three words properly. This is excellent mantra. It helps to stimulate your mind, nervous system. A very good mantra. 1 minute. Okay. Hopefully my voice is audible. I will speak more louder, no problem. Okay, so let's start today workshop. Today we are doing face yoga for smoother skin and double chin. We'll tell you for the double chin, the first thing that we need to do, you need to drink a lot of water. Water is very important. The water retention की वजह से भी हो जाता है. So please make sure you're drinking a lot of water. Every half an hour, you should take half glass of water and take lot of vitamin C food. Lot of vitamin C food lene. Supplement is okay. You can take supplements also, but yes, natural is always good. You are doing yoga with me. Yoga is very good. Naturally, हमारे mind को, body को healthy रखता है. So please try to take natural vitamin C also. और सबसे अच्छा vitamin C सबसे rich होता है lemon में. Take lemon water every day. Lemon is excellent, very good for cleansing also. If anyone have thyroid problem, directly citrus नहीं लेना है आपको. You need to add with honey. So जिनको भी thyroid का issue रहता है, please don't take lemon like this. You need to add with honey, and don't take processed sugar too. इससे तो wrinkles appear हो जाते हैं. It is not good, and you should not take salt also. And so let's do exercises and we'll tell you more benefit of doing face yoga. आप लोगों को भी whatever like difference you're able to see and why you're liking my workshop, whatever like things in your mind, you can share us, you can share with us. I'm very obsessed with face yoga. मुझे हमेशा ही beautiful रहना है, and I opted natural thing, face yoga. I've started yoga from the age of 9, and I'm teaching face yoga from last more than 10 years. I've written more than 18 books. So please, face yoga is very good way. It's a natural way, cosmetic hota hai, but it is for some time. It is not for every time. But face yoga, you can stay healthy, you can look young, attractive, beautiful with face yoga. It's a natural way, and it is the best way to control your age also. मैं ठीक नहीं थी, but because I was not well, COVID, but every day I practice my yoga, face yoga. It is very difficult, you know, whenever आप लोगों को कोई बुखार भी होता है, it is very difficult to exercise, but face yoga we can do every day. Only you're exercising your facial muscle. Breathing exercises we can do every day. And face yoga is very good to control migraine, sinus, even my Mahakriya is excellent to control diabetes also. Very good Kriya. Obesity, for obesity also. So today we'll start with Kriyas. Afterward we'll do asanas. And please do join my 14 days workshop too, which will be very life-changing experience for everyone. Hopefully you're liking my 5 days workshop too. Okay, now let's start. जो क्रिया आपको every day करनी है, first is simple kriya. In simple kriya, you are increasing the speed of your breath while inhaling, exhaling. अब हम normal सांस ले रहे हैं, speed को बढ़ा दीजिए. That is all you need to do. Very good for the stress. If anyone is facing stress issue, everyone. बहुत सोचते हैं हम लोग, you know, we all are good thinkers. So please do simple kriya every day. Very good for your mind and body awareness. Excellent kriya for cleansing, for anti-aging too. So in simple kriya, you need to keep your hand on your chest. Only 5 count. Inhale, exhale. Try to double your exhalation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Reverse your wrinkle, reverse your age with yoga. Excellent way. Breathing exercises are really good every day. As today I'm going to give you everyday routine also. So in your everyday routine, please do simple kriya every day. Very easy. You're only increasing the speed of your breath. Sinus का nose congestion हो जाता है, chest में problem हो जाता है, you know, cardiovascular problems हो जाती हैं. This is start with your breathing. So please, this is the best kriya for cleansing उसके बाद आप कपालभाति, अल्टरनेटिव नॉस्ट्रल, नाड़ी शोधन करें, which are very good kriyas too, but start with simple kriya. Breathing कर रहे हैं, but we are not getting benefit. Because why you don't get benefit, why you don't get result? Because you're not doing in a proper way. So learning with proper instruction, it's very important. And breathing exercises you should always do with instructions only, very important. So in this kriya you're only increasing the speed of your breath. And please ये क्रिया जो मैंने आपको सिखाई है, सिंपल क्रिया, आप लोग अपने बच्चों को भी कराएं, फैमिली को भी कराएं, नेबर को भी कराएं. इट इज एक्सीलेंट क्रिया फॉर क्लेंजिंग, very good clear. It help to clear all the bad toxins from your body. Face yoga are really good, increase blood circulation, increase करता है, very good lymphatic drainage. It clear all the bad toxins from your body, from your face. So हम लोग बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. And honestly speaking, I never apply any cosmetic. This is just because of face yoga. My skin is always glowing. और मैं आप लोगों से भी ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, प्लीज डू फेस योगा एवरी डे. सो फर्स्ट क्रिया दैट यू नीड टू परफॉर्म एवरी डे इज सिंपल क्रिया. नाउ द सेकंड क्रिया व्हिच इज वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट क्रिया, मैंने इतने सारे लोगों के साथ में करी है. दिस इज बेस्ट क्रिया फॉर वेट लॉस, वेरी गुड क्रिया. मोस्टली मैंने गवर्नर्स को कराया एंड आप लोगों को पता ही होगा, दे आर अबव 50, so they can't do exercises, they can't do yoga, but they are doing every day Mahakriya. Very good kriya, and you'll get result in just 14-15 days only with Mahakriya. Mahakriya will help to release accumulated fat too. Very good, सबसे फास्ट होती है फैट को बर्न करने के लिए. So let's do Mahakriya. How you need to, every day you should do Mahakriya before food, 10 minutes before. So please interlock, always try to sit straight, interlock your hand. You can sit in Vajrasan, folded leg, or you can sit like me, like I'm sitting in sofa right now. Inhale, simple Kriya, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. After 3 count, slowly come forward, exhale forcefully. Keep your forehead down. Be there for 30 seconds. This is the best Kriya for digestive system. Come up. Very good Kriya for detoxification. Excellent Kriya for weight loss. सब नहीं कर पाए, please don't miss my Mahakriya, which is excellent Kriya for cleansing. You should do this Kriya before food. जो भी heavy meal लेते हैं, 10 minutes before we need to do this Kriya. And अगर आप लोगों you're already overweight, if you are overweight, you should do this Kriya twice. This is only Kriya जो हमें एक बार करनी है. And twice means lunch के time पे कर लीजिए, before lunch, and evening you can do before your dinner, 10 minutes before. Please do this kriya. Very good kriya to activate your pancreas. And उसके बाद जब आप food खाएंगे, आपकी body में आपको proper nutrition ही मिलेंगे. अभी हमें सोचना पड़ता है ये organic food है या like we need to think lot of things. That's okay. इतना नहीं सोचते. We all are from nature. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, हम सब चीजों को ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. बट यस, इफ यू डू दिस क्रिया यू विल गेट प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन बाय फूड ओनली. यू विल गेट प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन बिकॉज फूड में पेस्टिसाइड, फूड की वजह से भी हमारे स्टमक मेनी प्रॉब्लम होती है. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग महाक्रिया बिफोर योर फूड एंड यू विल ऑलवेज स्टे हेल्दी, ब्यूटिफुल. सो प्लीज डू महाक्रिया, सिंपल क्रिया एंड महाक्रिया. Okay, now third Kriya. Any Kriya you can choose. Alom Vilom. Yesterday we did Nadi Shodhan. And Brahmari Kriya. Brahmari Kriya is very important for concentration. मुझे भूलने की आदत है टू बी ऑनेस्ट, हम लोग बहुत चीजें भूल जाते हैं, मैं अपना पेपर ही भूल गई थी। सो भ्रामरी क्रिया इज एक्सीलेंट क्रिया फॉर कंसंट्रेशन, अभी मेरे को कम है, सो मैं कभी कभी आसन करते करते भी भूल जाती हूँ, आई एम रियली सॉरी। सो प्लीज डू भ्रामरी क्रिया विच इज really good kriya, very good kriya. It help to relax your mind. If anyone, अगर कोई भी sleeping medications लेता है, sleeping pill लेता है, then gradually you will, like आप लोगों को, if you're doing Brahmari Kriya regularly, because sleep is very important, you should sleep 7-8 hours, and Brahmari Kriya will make you sleep, माइंड को पूरी तरह रिलैक्स रखता है भ्रामरी क्रिया। लेट मी टेल यू द प्रॉपर वे ऑफ डूइंग भ्रामरी क्रिया अगेन, वी डिड इन आवर वर्कशॉप बट आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू अगेन भ्रामरी क्रिया। सो दिस 3 क्रिया try to do every day. How you need to Brahmari Kriya? First of all, you need to understand your hand position. Okay, your finger, small finger, and index finger on your eyeball, and with thumb you're closing your ear, but please don't put pressure. So this is your hand, आपके हाथों का सही किस तरह से रखना है। एंड नाउ सेकेंड थिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन भ्रामरी क्रिया, टंग को ऊपर टच करना है, और यू कैन रोल योर टंग टू, वेरी गुड फॉर thyroid gland. This is excellent to control thyroid too, and very good for our voice. खाना खाते it is important, you know, digest food कहाँ से start होता है, chew करते हैं, you need to chew food properly, then swallow it properly, chew it properly, then cleansing is very important, and this kriya will help to activate your gland also, and excellent for माइंड को भी रिलैक्स रखता है। एंड विल टेल यू टंग को ऊपर टच करना है, और यू कैन रोल। अभी स्टार्टिंग में हम लोग रोल नहीं कर पाएंगे, जस्ट यू नीड टू टच ऑन टॉप एंड मा साउंड। This is the proper way of your tongue mouth posture. Okay, so hand movement. Now let's do Brahmari Kriya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are our Panch Mudras. Now 6th mudra, your tongue. Brahmari Kriya is always with 6th mudra. So roll your tongue, or you can put your tongue up on the roof, on top, and ma sound. Inhale. Relax, release. You'll get a beautiful sleep. Very good Kriya, Brahmari Kriya. There are many benefits of Brahmari Kriya. We'll share in our PDF also what all the benefit, and you can Google also. इतनी सारे Google में information मिल जाती है हमें, but you need to learn. Proper technique is very important. So this is the proper way of doing Brahmari Kriya, simple Kriya, Maha Kriya. Brahmari Kriya you should do before sleep, 10 minutes before. Excellent, excellent. जब आप एक चीज आप और ऑब्जर्व करना, हम लोग जब सोते हैं, अगर किसी को डिस्टर्ब सपने आते हैं, तो इट मीन्स आप लोगों को स्ट्रेस है. So please do Brahmari Kriya. In just 3 days, we can see a lot of changes, and I'm doing it from last many years. So my mind is very much relaxed. मुझे गुस्सा भी नहीं आता just because of Brahmari Kriya. Please do. It is very important for everyone. So ये 3 चीजें आपको प्लीज फॉलो करनी है एवरी डे में, सिंपल क्रिया, महाक्रिया एंड Brahmari Kriya. रेस्ट आप लोग मुझे सिखा देना, कपालभाति, अनुलोम विलोम, ऑल आर गुड क्रियाज. क्रियाज आर वेरी गुड फॉर क्लेंजिंग. क्रिया का जो प्रोसेस होता है वो क्लेंजिंग करने के लिए ही होता है. एंड ऑल यू ऑल नो योगा वर्क इंटरनली. All exercises are good, all kriyas are good, so please do that. Now we are starting exercises for the double chin, and for the skin smoother, excellent thing is that you should take water. Water is very good. आप लोग 20 का फेस देखो and 40 का फेस देखो, there is lot of difference and you can cover that difference with water only. Try to drink 10-12 glass every day. I used to drink 30 glass of water. मैं बीमार भी थी तब भी I was taking 30 glass of water. So water is very important. It help, ये आपको blow नहीं करेगा body को, it help to clear bad toxins from your body. Very good. विटामिन सी लेना है आपको. एंड प्लीज मेक श्योर इफ किसी को डबल चिन का प्रॉब्लम है, अगर साथ में आपको थायराइड भी है, टुडे विल डू एक्सरसाइज फॉर थायराइड आल्सो. सो लेमन आपको डायरेक्ट नहीं लेना है, लेमन के साथ यू नीड टू कंबाइन इट विद हनी. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर अबाउट इट. And the rest simple things. 5 after 5 you need to avoid oily food. Before 5 you can have. After 5 ke bhi I have already, I think I have shared the diet with you, so do follow. जितना पॉसिबल हो सकता है उतना फॉलो करेंगे. सम टाइम अगर आप ज्यादा खा लेते हैं रात को, यू नो सम टाइम इट हैपन, then what you need to do after 30 minutes you should take a glass of warm water with half lemon. Very good. So please make sure ये कुछ चीजें अगर हम बैलेंस कर लेंगे, life will be good. Okay, now we'll do exercises for the double chin. Firstly, we'll tell you double chin क्यों होता है. Double chin is because of this platysma muscle. It's connected with your neck and chin. Inactive हो जाता है, lack of physical activity, double chin होता है आपको. This is the first reason. We are going to activate your platysma muscle today. And second thing, we do a lot of experiment in our kitchen, you know, a lot of cooking oil. Try कोई भी एक ऑयल यूज करें, बार बार चेंज नहीं करना, अदरवाइज डबल चिन हो जाएगा. एंड रेस्ट डू एक्सरसाइजेस विद मी. एक्सरसाइजेस आर एक्सीलेंट टू कंट्रोल डबल चिन. किसी का कितना भी प्रॉब्लम होगा, I can share you some pictures, my client's picture before after. You can see lot of, you know, we can feel lot of changes. Their life has totally changed. Okay, now let's do exercises for the double chin. First, just cross, hold here and look up. Stretch your neck properly. Now inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Start with the warm up. This is very good breathing. Stretch your neck up properly. Inhale, exhale for 3 count. This is very good. Stretching is important. You are activate this muscle, this area. So stretch first. In yoga also, yoga exercises, you know, you need to start with stretching. And double chin, if you have double chin issue, you should start with stretching. If you need fuller chins also, you need to start with stretches. Okay, now let's do exercises. First, very easy exercise for the double chin is balloon hold pose. Just make a balloon. Release. You can feel stretch here. This is really good exercise. Face yoga, this is also for your daily routine. Do balloon pose every day. This helps to fill your upper cheeks. If you want plumpy cheeks, you should try this exercise and you can see result in just 7-8 days only. Okay, every exercise you have to perform for 3 times. Let's do this exercise again. This is really good exercise. So please do this exercise for 3 times. Now the second exercise in same balloon pose. Drop your jaw properly. First push it up. Relax. This is excellent stretch for your jaw. Very good to reduce double chin. Do this again. We'll do it a little faster because we are burning fat from here. Okay, now let's do it. Relax, release. Last time, 3 rounds we need to complete. Do it 10 times. Push it more up. Relax, release. I can feel here. This is really good exercise. जिनको double chin नहीं है उनको भी करना चाहिए. Prevention is always better than cure. I don't have double chin issue, but I'm doing it. And it is very good. It gives you a good defined shape, sharpen your jawline. Excellent exercise. Okay. Now the second one, kiss the sky. My favorite one. You need to look up. Make a pout. Hold. Stretch your neck properly first. Hold for 10 seconds. And kiss. Hold. 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 Relax. Release. जब आप होल्ड करें and release, this is very good to activate your this muscle. Excellent exercise for double chin and for smoother skin also. Rose kiss karte raho, happy raho, love spread karte raho. This is really good exercise. Try to do this exercise every day. After balloon pose, you should do this exercise. Okay, now we are going to do this again. Hold properly and release. Look up and do it again with me. Hold, release, hold, release, hold, release, hold, release, hold. Stretch your jaw, stretch your neck up and release. Hold, 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 hold. Wow, this is very good. Wow, like you can feel stretch here also. You can feel stretch here. This is excellent exercise to reduce double chin. And there's all exercises which we are doing today for the double chin. You can see result in just some days only. Okay, now let's do lip lift pose, which is very good too. Your stretch, how you need to do it, I'll tell you. Distance create करना आपने and look up. Release. Try to stretch it. Try do your lower lip whenever you're stretching it, pulling it, it will come up. To stretch it properly so you can feel stretch here. Let's do this again. It will come, it will come up and look up. Hold. While holding, you can feel a lot of pressure, contraction. Your muscle will get contracted. This is excellent exercise to reduce double chin. And जो भी exercise आप मेरे साथ कर रहे हैं, you know, in each exercise you need to feel stretch also. See some difference. Okay, now let's do this again. Try to hold for 10 seconds with me. Relax, release. Very good exercise. I can feel a lot of stretch. Excellent exercise. Now let's do O pose. O pose is also very good for smoother skin and for the double chin. Make a O and hold. O. Okay, look up. And grab here so you can feel your muscle properly. Release. This is for slimmer face also and very good for double chin. So please do this. Let's do this. You need, why you need to hold it? Because I want you to feel the stretch in your muscle properly and just understand करिए अपने muscle को. Hold here, look up and make a O. O. Relax. most relaxing आसन to very good exercise. O pose अगर ऐसे करेंगे, it is for your cheek. ऊपर की तरफ करेंगे, it is for your chin. Please do this. This is excellent for reducing double chin. Okay, now my favorite one, my gym pose, dumbbell pose, which is very good. In dumbbell pose, you are going, जैसे dumbbell करते हैं, वैसे we are continuously going to dumbbell on your, this is excellent to control double chin. If you do it regularly and in a proper way, you can see difference in 3 days. Okay, now let's do dumbbell pose. Lower will come to the upper side and you're continuously pressing it. Try lower can touch to the upper side. Stretch wider. Relax. Relax. You'll get pain. That's really okay. It's a good pain. You're burning fat. So it is really good. Let's do this again. Dumbbell pose. Look up. Stretch wider. Open your mouth wider. Relax. Very good exercise, very relaxing exercise also. I will take your questions later, but I want कि आप लोग मेरे साथ पूरी तरह फेस योगा करें पहले. Try to stay focused. Okay, now let's do all the exercises again. Afterward, we'll do 3 more exercises. So every day, simple kriya, mahakriya, Brahmari Kriya. And if you're getting any difficulties with this Kriya, we can discuss later, no problem. So this is your Kriyas. You need to start if anyone have if anyone have double chin issue, you need to start with stretches, and stretches is with breathing exercise. Hold here. So this is your first thing that you need to learn. If anyone have double chin, hold, cross and hold. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. It's here to stretch your neck properly. A very good kriya. A very good stretch also. There are a few more stretches, but you need to start with this. Second, we batai with you. Tapping massage, you need to tap your face. And look up, press your jaw muscle in upward direction. So this is your second stretch that you can do. Tapping is important. Tapping is to increase blood circulation. Warm up is also good. It helps to increase blood circulation. Blood circulation बढ़ेगा और exercise आप करेंगे. So that's why we need to do warm up. We need to do stretches, and in double chin, please do stretches before. Okay, now let's start exercises. First, balloon hold pose. Okay, now the second, push here, release. Pain. It is very good. Do this exercise. These are really good exercise to control double chin and very good for the smoother skin too. Okay, now the third one, lip pose. Release. This is also for droopy, जो droopy mouth हो जाता है आपका, इस तरह से हो जाता है. This will give you a good shape. Very good. Strengthen your facial muscle too. Very easy. We'll do it again. Look up. Release. Okay, my favorite. Kiss the sky. Look up and kiss. Hold properly first for 10 seconds. Hold your facial feature and release. Hold, release. Hold, release. Hold, release. O pose. Look up. Release. Dumbbell pose. Lower. Open, stretch your mouth wider. Release. Okay, so please do these exercises. Now let's do 2 more exercises, more fun, more face yoga. And please do share why you want to do face yoga. We actually, cosmetics में इतने पैसे हम लोग खर्चते हैं, but in face yoga definitely you'll get result also. But do tell me your thing also, why you want to learn face yoga. मैंने तो बता दिया, because I want to die beautiful. I always wanted to stay beautiful. That's why I have switched on like from last many years into face yoga. And do share your story. Do you share your views to me? Now we'll do other pose, which is excellent for double chin and smoother skin. Skin smooth hogi, jab skin properly hydrated hogi. So please, my sincere request to everyone, drink a lot of water. Now we are doing this exercise. This is also very good to control double chin. Look to your right side and pull your tongue out. You can feel the stretch here. Let's tap here. Look to your right side, pull your tongue out again and tap here. And try to pull your tongue up. Down nahi karna, pull it up. Okay, chain the side. You need to tap. Pull your tongue. Relax. Very good. If you are regularly, please do this exercise. This is excellent to reduce double chin. And if anyone have regular pain on your neck area, it means you are facing stress, if there is a stress issue. So please do this massage also. You need to apply oil every day. Before shower, do this massage. Just rub here, connect. Just connect behind and massage. This is the best anti-aging massage. Neck के लिए downward, rest all massage in upward direction only. Neck के लिए always downward. 5-10 count with any oil you can use. If you're having regular neck issue, then you should take sesame oil. Sesame oil, til ka tel, is excellent to control absorb pain. So you can take that. And for migraine also, if anyone have migraine, you can join my 14 days workshop migraine class, and you can take, we should use sesame oil, tilka tel, excellent to control migraine, excellent to control neck pain. Very good for many benefits of this oil. And सबसे main benefit ये है आपकी pain को observe कर लेता है. Excellent. So in a day only you can feel, you can see the changes. Okay. Now let's do last exercise for today. This we called curl pose. This is for the smoother skin. Skin should be supple and soft. So like baby skin जैसा होता है वैसे ही होना चाहिए. Let's do this exercise. Curl your lips inside and smile. Stretch it properly. Look up and smile. Look down and smile. Do it again. Look straight, smile. Stretch it properly. Relax. These all exercises are really good. Please pick any 3 exercise for the double chin and do it. Okay, now आज के लिए special thing is thyroid exercise. You can, thyroid we can easily cure with face yoga, and a lot of people have did this exercises and got very good result. Even मेरी mom को भी था. It is cured with this exercise. This is really good exercise. Thyroid gland होता है आपके center of your neck. You need to place your index finger here. Make a pout. Sorry. Make a pout properly. And look up. Press your gland. Release. First, you need to release your finger, then release your pose slowly. Release every face yoga pose slowly. Jaldi jaldi kuch nahi karna. Let's do this exercise again. Thyroid gland is here, center of your neck. Mostly we are doing facial exercises with middle finger, index finger, because it is connected with your brain and nervous system. So please do keep your finger hold here. Don't press it, just you need to keep it. Make a pout. Look up. Hold there for 10 seconds first. Press your gland. Release your finger and relax. Do this exercise every day for 3 times. This is the excellent exercise to control thyroid too. So now let's do palming pose and we'll do meditation. First, let's do palming. Keep it on your face. Okay, now let's do meditation. Anjani Mudra. Namaste. Join your hands properly. Close your eyes. We'll say Om slowly. First, inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. We'll say Om 3 times slowly. Inhale. Relax, relax your mind, relax your body. Feel the vibration, feel your body from inside. Eyes remain closed, just relax yourself. Rub your palms. Keep it on your eyes. Hold there for 20 seconds. Gently open your eyes. Rub your palms and wait for heat. Keep it on your face. Relax your facial muscle. Massage. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Hope you all enjoyed. Now we are actually doing 14 days workshop. So I request hosts if you can share screen. So this is our 14 days. Hope you're liking my workshop. So this is our 14 days workshop. In day one, you can learn about stress, not about stress, I'm so sorry. You can learn how we can take care, how we can cure stress with face yoga, and you can easily do it. मैं कर सकती हूँ तो सब कर सकते हैं. So please learn face yoga for stress. Second, day 2 is anti-aging massage. Massage is very important technique. It should be properly done. It should be properly done. So anti-aging massage are really good to control your age. That on day 2. Day 3, toning and perfecting the shape, which is also very important day. Day 4, exercises for cheekbone. If you want fuller cheeks without surgery, you can learn face yoga with me. If you want slimmer face, that also you can easily get with face yoga. So day 4 is for that. Day 5, removing dark circle, puffy eyes. We can easily take care of our eye with face yoga. So day 5 is for that. Day 6, removing frown lines. We can remove with face yoga. You can remove fine lines with face yoga. You can remove wrinkles also with face yoga. So please do join day 6 also. Day 7 is for exercises for your eyebrows, lifting your eyebrows. It should always lift it up, eyebrows. And we all need thick eyebrows. This is all natural. So we'll tell you the technique, exercises on day 7. Day 8, face lifting massage. Face lifting massage is excellent. So day 8 for is that. There are many massage. Even lymphatic drainage massage also is very good. Day 9 is exercises for aging lines. Lines, gradually it will disappear with face yoga, and we are doing best exercises to control it. Day 10, natural makeup technique without any product, without any cosmetic. You can learn natural makeup technique. हमेशा beautiful रहना है without cosmetic. Now day 11, seasonal skincare. कोई भी season हो, summer, monsoon, spring, winter, we can take care of our skin, we can take care of our face. So day 11 is for that. You can learn a beautiful natural face pack with me. You can learn how we can make natural home serum. Serum hota hai, we spend a lot of money, 6,000-7,000 bucks for serum only. No, it is very expensive. So we'll tell you how we can make it at home also. Day 11, yoga for hair. सबको हेयर फॉल का प्रॉब्लम होता है. So we'll do the best exercises. We'll tell you what oil you need to apply. Day 13 is for sinus and migraine. Sinus and migraine, we can cure it with face yoga. So day 13 is for that. Day 14, balancing hormones. Yoga is all about balancing. Balancing, अगर आप balance करेंगे, so hair का जो issue होता है वो भी नहीं होगा आपको. Pigmentation का acne का भी issue नहीं होगा. So day 14 is for that, and you are going to learn 85 exercises with me. In my 5 days workshop, you are learning more than 32 exercises. In 14 days, you can learn 85 exercises, and you can learn how we can take care of our face, our skin, our body in 14 days workshop. So it is just 3,000 rupees, not itna to cosmetic में इतना parlor में facial का लग जाता है. And 14 days you can learn many things with me. And also we'll give you the diet that you can follow. You can take care of your body. You can take care of your health. Anything, if you want to ask for 14 days workshop, so you're free, feel free to ask me. Anything you can ask me for my 14 days workshop.
Thanks, Mansi. Thank you so much, Mansi. So for everybody, I have put the link to register for 14 days in the chat box. I've also put the link for all the previous recordings because I know a lot of you haven't received. We've spoken to the team. We will be sending them every day. However, we still post it in the chat box. You can just go to the option and save chat and view all the links later on. For all of you who've asked about dark circles, acne, and pigmentation, we will be covering it tomorrow. So do not worry if it's not covered today. Mansi, there are a couple of questions, and since we have 10 minutes, can I just ask you a couple of questions for today?
Yes, please.
Okay. So for all of you who have asked about facial hair, for eyes and specific issues, we will be covering everything in 14-day workshop, as you would have seen.
Yes.
So please join us for the 14-day workshop. Okay, Vandana has asked, I'm 46 years old and can see some fine lines cropping up under my eye. Could you suggest how she could just stop it right away so that it doesn't go further?
That's why I requested everyone, please do join 14 days workshop too, because in 5 days, yes, you can learn, but you can't, you'll get idea in 5 days that what is face yoga, what are the benefits of face yoga. But in 14 days, you can learn more. अब wrinkles को भी हमें control करना है, fine line को भी control करना है. So please do join my 14 days workshop, and we'll tell you if you have fine lines around your eyes. Basically, ये problem क्यों होता है? You need to apply whatever, like eye cream, आप कोई भी चीज apply कर रहे, you need to apply it properly. If you have lines, then you need to tap it. Okay. लाइन का एक इशू जल्दी हो जाता है. एक रीजन ये भी है कि आपको इस तरह से कभी भी मसाज नहीं करनी है. Never do it. You need to tap it. If anyone have line, किस तरह से आपको अप्लाई करना है. And for eye, almond oil and almond oil and aloe vera is excellent. So at night you can apply almond oil, tap it properly. First do apply it, then tap it. Okay, now hold here. Now start from here. Hold. Start. ओके, और जिनके अभी लाइन नहीं है उनको इस तरह से अप्लाई करना है. होल्ड. ऐसे कभी भी नहीं करना है. half circle for the eye. Please massage it like this every night. This will help you.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, yesterday you explained a thumb in mouth exercise. A lot of people even yesterday wrote that they did not understand, and we've got some requests today also. If you could just explain it again.
Thumb pose, thumb one.
Thumb in mouth.
We'll tell you. How you need to do it, we'll tell you. This is excellent for your nose labial fold also. Make sure your hand is sanitized. Face yoga mein, you need to make sure about it and wash your face before. Okay, now put it inside. Hold. Release. अंदर से you're pushing it. This your labial lines, जहाँ पे line appear होती है. So you're putting pressure from your thumb. Don't hurt yourself. Do it properly. Inside and turn it. Release. This is very good for your laughing line. Please do this exercise.
Thanks, Mansi. For all of you again asking about the recordings, we have shared recordings because these recordings we will only get next week because the quality of the video is not so great. It takes us time to get the video edited, so we will be sharing it next week with you. Previous videos, I'm putting it again in the chat box, so please go to that and you can save it. Mansi, so a lot of people have questions about Mahakriya. So in Mahakriya, when we, first of all, how do we sit? Also, if you could keep your laptop a little,
Yes.
so basically, so that camera could be seen. Where are you placing your hand? Are you applying pressure on your stomach? Are you holding your breath? Are you breathing from mouth or nose? All of these questions about Mahakriya.
We'll tell you again how you need to do Mahakriya. In Mahakriya, in Kriyas, you're not holding your breath. बहुत कम क्रियाज है अनुलोम विलोम में you're holding your breath, but in Mahakriya you're not holding your breath. So I'm sitting in sofa. You can see I'm sitting in chair. Vajrasana also you can do Mahakriya or you can do folded leg also. But this is also a good way of doing Mahakriya. Interlock your hand. Okay. Interlock your hand. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Come forward. Exhale. Keep your forehead down. Relax yourself. Don't hold your breath. Come on. Pancreas यहाँ पे होती है. You need to bend. Bend करेंगे आप and exhale करेंगे. Automatically एक force जो exhalation होगा, it help to clear bad toxin and it help to activate your pancreas. So this is very good kriya. Do this kriya before food, 10 minutes before. Excellent. It जो भी आपको बॉडी में प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन मिलेगा and very good kriya for weight loss. If anyone is facing stomach related problem, please do Mahakriya. If you are facing obesity problem, please do Mahakriya. So this is really good kriya and this is the proper way of doing Mahakriya. और भी अगर learn करना है, so we'll tell you again, no problem.
Thanks, Mansi. For all of you who are asking about a quick routine, Mansi always shows a quick routine on day 5, which we can follow once the workshop is over. So do not, we will be doing that tomorrow along with Acme dark circles and pigmentation. Mansi, I see a lot. So, guys, there are more than 300 questions. So, I'm sorry if you're missing out any questions. We are trying to ask the questions which are asked most, like which most of the people are asking and which are most relevant to face yoga. Mansi, Ritu's asking about marionette lines. Could you explain what could help with marionette lines? I think a lot of people have asked this.
Okay. See, actually, this first sign, this is because of sun exposure. So please, मैं सबसे request करती हूँ, and you can join my 14 days workshop too. It will be very useful for everyone. So this is actually because of sun exposure. So please do apply sunscreen. You are doing face yoga with me, but please do apply moisturizer, do apply sunscreen. You need to apply oil also. Sunscreen is very important. This is because of sun exposure. Sunscreen आपको लगाना है SPF 30 वाला लगाना है, and this exercise will help you. This is a really good exercise for the line. Interlock. Just squeeze your face and release. 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 Do it little faster. Do it for 10 count. This is very good to control lines. Excellent to control wrinkle also. And my request, if you can drink a lot of water, water is very important. Do drink water, and please do take milk at night, especially for the women. Milk at night is excellent. Do take that. Or morning में you should take curd. Curd is very good. Evening में do avoid curd. और एक रीजन से और प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है स्किन का, अगर आप मिल्क के साथ कुछ भी सॉर चीजें लेते हैं, सिट्रस चीजें लेते हैं, फूड आर गुड एंड फूड आर गलत खाएंगे तो इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. इट कैन क्रिएट बहुत it can cause, many things can happen if you take in a wrong manner. So milk के साथ आपको सॉर चीजें नहीं लेनी है. That you need to take care. And one more request, if you can take my liver cleansing juice, which is aloe vera, amla and coriander, so that will also help you.
Thanks, Mansi. Since we are running late for the next workshop, just a quick question, one last question. And I know you have your 14-day also. And tomorrow we'll take up all the questions. We've saved chat from all the last 5 days. We'll take all the questions tomorrow, like we always do on day 5. Garima's asked, simple Kriya, how many times should one do? And when is the best time to do it?
Simple kriya, actually मैंने ये क्रिया लर्न करी थी when I went for Vipassana. So वहां पे कुछ नहीं कराते, बस बिठा देते थे और मेरे को सिंपल क्रिया कराते थे. मेरे को लगता था ये मुझे क्यों करा रहे हैं, जब like why I'm doing simple kriya, ये तो कोई भी कर लेगा. But honestly, this is the best kriya for cleansing mind and body, and you should do this kriya thrice a day. And try to complete एक क्रिया जब आप करते हैं, try to complete 5 rounds. It is excellent kriya for the awareness, very good kriya for concentration, and very good anti-aging kriya too. So thrice a day do simple kriya, and anytime you can do this kriya. You can do this kriya after your lunch also. So इस क्रिया में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, you can do after lunch also. But yes, अगर आप थोड़ा गैप रखें, 1 hour का गैप रखें खाने का, it is good. But anytime you can do, and thrice a day.
Thank you so much, Mansi. Thank you for such a wonderful
session. Thank you, everyone. And please do join 14 days workshop too. Really, thank you so much. Take care.